paper folding effect, glowing text, and character shaking, I will show you how you can make these animations. Before starting the video, I suggest you to watch my previous videos in which I made a talking AI character in Capcut. And I also suggest you to watch this video in which I have explained how to animate in Capcut. So let's dive in today's tutorial. I will start from creating the paper folding effect. First, drag the PNG to timeline and set it as overlay. Now drag the green screen paper transition to the timeline and set it on the PNG. I will adjust the length of the green screen paper transition as I need it. Now, to remove the green screen, click on this cutout option and enable the chroma key and select green color. And drag this line to full, it will remove the green screen. Once you do this, now click anywhere on timeline. And here click on Modify and open Free Layers. And now drag the paper transition on the Capcut. Also adjust its size as the size of the MG. Now click on the PNG and click on the blending and select He Overlay. Now the paper folding effect is ready and you can save it from here too, but I will make it more engaging. Go to Adjustment, scroll down and choose the brightness -30 and contrast 20. Scroll down and drag the clarity to full and also sharpen to full. Now select the paper transition effect and apply the same effect that we applied to the PNG. Once you applied the effects, you can simply export it. Your paper folding effect is ready. Let's move to the second editing hack, that is glowing text. First, click on the text option, then click on this plus icon to make text. Now choose the text layer and here you can write anything that you want. So I will write editing. And here you can change the font of text as you want. Once you do this, scroll down and enable the glow option. Adjust it according to your text, and I will adjust it as I need. Now I will add animation to the text to make it engaging. Here click on the animation and add the animation that you like the most. I will choose this animation. Also add out animation to make it more better. I will add this animation. You can add anyone that you like. Once you do this, now simply export it. Let's move to the last editing hack, that is character shaking. First, import in your character. Once you do this, simply drag it into timeline. Yours and adjust its size according to your need. So I will adjust my character as I want. First, add animation to your character to make it engaging. Click on animations and add the animation that you want. So I will add this slide up animation. Once you add this animation, now click on the effects and choose the rebound swing. And drag it to the character. As you drag it, adjust its size and speed. For adjusting its size and speed here in the side, you can adjust it as you want. I will add another effect to make it better. You can add it too. Our character has been edited. This was it in today's video. If you enjoyed watching the video or it was helpful to you by any means, so please like the video and subscribe our channel so you can stay tuned for the next update. See you in the next video.